Welcome. This video I'll show you how to edit components on the canvas here in Stitch. Okay, so first up, as you can see here, we have the stages or pages, as you may call it. Now, let's say these four right here is in light mode. You wanted to change this one as dark mode. So just hover over, okay, a design, a page. Now click on edit, add a theme, and just change from light to dark. Okay, you can change the color palette here as well as the corner radius and the font as well. Okay, so just hit on apply, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, it will be on dark mode. Now, if you want to be more specific, like you wanted to change these icons right here, or the color of the specific title or text, you can do that. Okay, so how, you may ask? Well, we have here the prompt section. Okay, or you can go ahead and select one page right here, or change the specific component of a page. Okay, so just gotta hover over a page. Now click on edit, or hover over it. Now click on add to chat. Okay, or you can go ahead and call it from here, like for the welcome and onboarding page. Okay, right here, just copy it. I'm just gonna copy it. Can you change the photo instead of the neon hex V2 mouse? Just use this logo that I will attach. Okay, click on the plus sign. Now got to upload an image. I'm gonna go and select the channel's logo right here. Click on open. Now just click on generate. Okay, wait for it to fully load. It will partially upload your uploaded photo right here, and at the very bottom it will generate your design, or besides it. Okay, so let's just wait for it, and while it's generating, okay, I'm just gonna explain something to you. All you need to do is just use the prompt section, okay, because you won't be able to edit it from the Stitch website. But if you want to, you can go ahead and continue editing wherever you want. Just hover over the specific page, click on more, and click on view code. Okay, copy the code and edit the component right here if you want to, or edit it wherever you want. Okay, you can just view code from here, but you can't edit. All right, as you can see here, when I type something, it says cannot edit in read-only editor. You'll have to export it. Export and select AS Studio if you want to, jules.zip, or copy the code to clipboard and paste it wherever you want. Okay, and here we have it. That's just basically how to edit components on the canvas here in Stitch. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.